What are the types of triangle congruence? Well, to begin with, we have SSS, or side, side, side. And to prove this, we have two triangles that are not to scale with corresponding sides that are all the same. All three sides are the same, therefore the triangle is congruent. The second type of congruence is SAS, or side angle side. Here we have two sides that we know and a third side that we don't know, but we also have an included angle which is in between the sides that we do know, and in this case it's 30. So because there's an angle in between two sides that we know the length to, and these two sides are the corresponding sides are equal, therefore the triangle is congruent. The third type of triangle congruence is AAS, or angle angle side. Here we have two different triangles with two corresponding angles that are equal to each other. We also have a third side which is corresponding, and with the two triangles the side is equal. With this, we have two angles that are equal between both triangles and a side that's equal, AAS, therefore the triangles are congruent. The fourth type of triangle congruence is ASA. Here you have three corresponding pieces of information: an angle, a side, and an angle, as the name suggests. Here the side is in between the two angles, and that makes it angle side angle. And if it's the case for both triangles, then the two triangles are congruent.